Moving issues to another project in Jira is useful for reassigning tasks as project scopes or team structures change. Here's how to do it. Open the issue. Go to the Jira project where the issue is currently located. Find and open the issue you wish to move by clicking its key or summary. Initiate the move. In the issue view, locate the More button in the top right corner of the issue screen. Click on it to reveal additional options. Select Move. From the drop-down menu, select the Move option. This action opens the Move wizard. Choose New Project. In the Move wizard, you will be prompted to select the destination project. Choose the project to which you want to move the issue. Select Issue Type. Depending on the destination project's configuration, you might need to select the issue type that aligns with the new project setup. Update issue fields. Review and update fields as necessary. Some fields may need adjustment based on the new project's requirements, such as components, custom fields, or priorities. Complete the move. Click Next to review the changes, then confirm to finalize the move. The issue will now appear in the new project. Verify the move. Navigate to the destination project to ensure the issue has been moved correctly and all details are accurate.